What is up? I got Sean, box of chocolates here today. We got, I don't know if I can turn around so I don't know if get Craig in the shot or not, but there's Craig back there. We are in Camden, South Carolina, getting ready to do some of the SCAR, the South Carolina Adventure Route. And about 11 o'clock, everybody met up here today, and we're going to hit it and see what we can get into. So I'm not going to do a lot of recording on paved roads or anything like that, but once we get into some dirt or gravel, I will turn the camera back on. All right, well, we're have just managed to hit a few sections that were off-road here. This was kind of rutted, as you can see. So far so good, nothing too gnarly, which is good because I am a very nervous Nelly off-road because I have so little experience doing it, and this is a big old bike for me. So I'm trying to take my time and not get in any trouble, you know what I mean? I don't want to break anything, but if it does, it's inevitable, right? So yeah, if we get back to anything gnarlier, I will get back with you. But so far, it's a nice ride. The weather's beautiful. It's like in the 50s already, and we're just having a good time, and it's just a way to start the day. I'm not sure where we are, but there's a lake here, and there's a clearly this is a dam over here. Pretty cool. When you're paying attention, the things you see on the road.
Yes, it's raining. I'm stuck in a tent. I did make a cup of coffee though. I brought my little tent. This is my military individual combat shelter, so there's not a lot of room in here. But it's warm and cozy, and it's dry, and I think it's supposed to stop raining at 10, so it's, I'm not sure what time it is right now, probably 6:30 or something. But let me show you a peek outside. Over there we got a box of chocolates. Over there we got, that's Craig.
Still, the campsite is 9:30. I think that's Sean, if you could hear him. It's camping in the rain, moto camping in the rain. I'll take you around and show you the site here. You can see it behind me a little bit, but let me turn the camera around. We got Craig over there in his Nemo tent. Got Sean over here in his Featherstone. Camping! Featherstone. That is a Amazon special tent he has had for 3 or 4 years, I guess you've had that tent? And it has not failed him yet. And I'm in this little bitty tiny Army military individual combat shelter. It's easy, quick to set up, but there's not a lot of room in it. And so you could take you around here. There's a lot of people camping. When we checked in, they actually told us that they're booked for Thanksgiving, which is surprising to me. I didn't realize people would come spend their Thanksgiving at a campground. So I think we're getting ready to get the bikes packed up here. They're sitting over here covered up because, you know, adventure bikes don't like to get wet, so we put rain covers on them. So once we get back on the road, hopefully we'll get into some picturesque areas, and we'll start getting some more video. But day 2 on the South Carolina Adventure Route, and it's raining, but it's what makes it an adventure. Be back soon. All right, we are packed up and ready to go. We got Craig up there in front of me and Sean in front of Craig, sporting their Klim backpacks, which now I want one, seeing how they look in person and seeing what they can carry. So I don't know what we're going to get into today. Heading out of the campground, like I said, I got to drop some trash off, and we'll get back on the SCAR. If you can see the little red line, that's the SCAR right there, and we'll be on our way doing our thing. So let's go let the camera roll for a few minutes on our way out.
Alright, we're on another section of the little gravel here. It's drying out quite a bit, to be honest, so that was a good thing. I wasn't sure if it was going to rain on us again today or not, but it seemed to be okay. Let me adjust the camera. But Sean and Craig are up there. They have some more experience than me, that's why I'm trailing so far behind. But so far so good. It's beautiful out here. Even though we got rained on, it started raining about 5 o'clock this morning. It didn't quit till about 10, so we had a late start again. But all good. We're just out here to enjoy riding. We're not out here to finish this route, so it ought to be fun. Anyway, I'll be back at you later. We're calling this trip a wash. We decided we were just chasing campsites because of the short days and the cold weather and everything. So the camera's facing me. So yeah, we decided that it was cold. It got down to 28 degrees last night, and Craig's got a long way to go. Sean's got a long way to go. So we're just going to call it off and go get some breakfast and head our separate ways. So it was a good trip.